Hi, Benny. Hi, Keisha.
Hi, Uncle Sam. I'm here to pick up the drone I ordered.
Your drone just arrived, and it's ready to fly.
I'm so excited.
Let's take it to the park.
Password. 1, 2, 3. Done. Ready, steady, go!
That's amazing!
Look, we can see live video from the drone too.
Wow!
Oh, nice. I bet the password is 1, 2, 3. Haha, yes, I'm in. Now let's fly into Miss Jenny's backyard.
Huh? What's happening? The drone got hacked! Let's tell Captain Cyberchamp. What a beautiful sunny day.
Captain Cyberchamp!
What happened? Is everything okay? Captain Cyberchamp, someone hacked my drone! Stay calm. Let's go to your house right away. When someone hacks your drone, they usually get into your account first. If your password is weak, they can get access easily. Oh no! My password was very weak and easy to guess. That's okay, Benny. We can fix this by following 3 important steps. Step 1. Change your password right away. Make it strong and hard to guess. Okay, I'm setting a new strong password now. Done! Step 2. Tell a trusted adult who can help you find the drone.
Like we told you.
Exactly, Keisha. Step 3. Report the problem on a cybersecurity support platform. I'm reporting it now. Done! Well done, Benny. We followed all 3 steps. I also got a call from the detective. He will help us find the drone. Will the detective find the hacker?
Really?
Yes, detectives help stop cybercrime and keep people safe. Let's go! Hi, detective. We're here.
Ah, just in time. Our team is ready.
Follow me.
You are under arrest. Well done, everyone. You did the right thing by following the 3 steps. Now we have caught the hacker and recovered your drone too.
Thank you, detective!
I want to become a detective too, just like you!
Why not? You already think like one.
Cyber champions, whenever something like this happens, always remember the 3 steps. Change your password, tell a trusted adult, and report the problem.
And the detective will stop the hacker.
Let's fly our drone!